Okay, y'all. Okay, I'm giving y'all permission to pop my hand on this one. Yes, I bought some fabric. You saw part 1. This is part 2. I had to break it up because there's a lot. Okay, let me start by saying, when Melanated Fabrics mentioned that they were closing, I went to the site the same day and everything was literally sold out. Now, I've been wanting to buy at least one cut of fabric from them for a long time. So I felt like this was my opportunity, and I was actually going to purchase fabric from them days before, but I kept procrastinating and putting off getting online and doing it. So I waited too late. I missed my opportunity. I didn't get any fabric from Melanated Fabrics. So the next thing on my wish list was to purchase a mystery box from Mood Fabrics. So since I couldn't get any fabric from Melanated Fabrics, I said, hey, let me go ahead and purchase this. And this is going to be my last fabric purchase for a while, okay? I love Mood Fabrics, number 1, because of Project Runway. Like, I swear, I'm a contestant on the show, okay? That's how into it I am. So I had to get this mystery box so I could satisfy whatever that little feeling was on the inside that was just telling me that I needed this mystery box. But first, we're going to open up a package that I got from Girl Charlee. Girl Charlee was the first fabric company that I purchased from online when I started sewing. So I had to make a purchase from them. It's been a long time and I just had to. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designs. Welcome to part 2 of my mega fabric haul. As I said before, you can pop my hands for this one because this is more fabric that I have to get wrapped around those cake boards, and hopefully I'll get that done by the end of April. Who knows? There is fabric and bags of fabric and everything like just in my room. So I know I got to get it under control and in order because I'm not going to be able to do anything in a messy space. So let's open up this Girl Charlee fabric and see what's inside. So I purchased 3 cuts of fabric, okay? You may think it's the same, but trust me, it's not. It's similar fabric with similar print, but it's a different colorway, okay? I purchased 4 yards of each fabric because I had this bright idea to make like dresses for maybe Mother's Day for me and my girls. So there's 3 different colorways. I'm gonna make the girls each a dress in whichever colorway they want. Then I'm going to take the leftovers from their dresses and put it together and make me a dress from all 3 cuts. Okay, so we'll see how that turns out. But let's get into this fabric. Okay, now I said I was going to do this for Mother's Day, but I don't know. This fabric seems a little heavy and a little more like a sweater knit. And that's not the impression that I got from it online, but it is still gorgeous. It is still pretty. And I'm still going to do what I said I would do. So this is the first cut. It has these wonderful pretty prints, pretty colors. I think those colors are just awesome. And it's kind of heavy, so it has a good weight to it. Oh my God. Oh my. Look at this one though. But look at this one. Those colors are so vibrant. This actually looks better than online. So looking at these colors online really did it no justice. I really like this. Okay, y'all, so like I don't work out. I haven't worked out and I need to, but this fabric is heavy, like it's making my arm hurt. That's how heavy it is. And then this one is like, it has my favorite colors in it, like turquoise and teal. This is super pretty. It's super pretty. I think my girls are really going to like this. We probably actually could get away with this for Mother's Day, because now that I look at how thin it is, it seems like it may be pretty breathable. I'm gonna go online and read the description of it again, but this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. So that's all I purchased from Girl Charlee, was just those 3 cuts of fabric. Next is the Mood mystery box. I've had this mystery box, let's see, it was supposed to come Saturday, March 30th, but for whatever reason it got delayed and it didn't show up until Monday, April 1st. Today is Wednesday, April 3rd, and you can only imagine like how pent up this excitement has been and how I really wanted to tap into this box. So let's get this box open. Okay, y'all, I got butterflies because I'm so nervous about what kind of fabric might be in this box, and I'm so nervous that it might be something I really, really like. I mean, I hope it is, but I'm nervous, okay? This is Mood Fabrics, Project Runway. Let's see. Okay. Just looking. One thing I didn't do was order any fabric swatches, and I think I could have gotten like 5 free ones, and I meant to. I just forgot. I was so excited about ordering the box, I forgot. Let's just start at the top because I'm kind of excited. Let's see. Okay. And okay. Well, this is the first fabric. This is probably not a fabric that I would have chosen. I don't mind the flowers, but it's the color for me. This is kind of bland and not really what I would first pick, but I could make something out of this, make it cute. And I'm not even going to try to guesstimate like the yardage on these pieces, but here you go. And this, I may not even be holding it the right way. Who knows? I don't. It's gonna move right along. Okay, the second piece. Okay. This is also a pretty interesting cut. It is 100% cotton, as well as that one was cotton. I can tell that was cotton. Oh, first of all, I didn't even open this up. What?
I just looked at it like this and I said, wait.
Yeah, I'm kind of, I didn't open it up. I'm looking at it on the wrong side, but look at that. I almost gave up on this because I was looking at it on the wrong side, but this is actually pretty dope. I like this. Like, looks really nice. Now, if I was in the store, I don't know if I'd have picked this up, but maybe. But I really like this. This is probably about 1.5 yards or 1.25 yards, but I can get a nice pencil skirt out of it and those ties to my business as well. So, oh, wait now. This actually has a little bit of stretch to it. You see that? It's kind of stretchy. And that's only on one, yeah. So just a 2-way stretch, just a little bit, but hey, we can work with that. Next one, let's look at this one. I can already tell you there are a lot of florals in here, and I probably would not pick them up on my own, but this makes me step outside of my comfort zone, outside of my box, and do some things different. I can also see a pencil skirt with this, even a nice little top, not with too much detail going on, but a nice simple top we could probably get out of this. It might be a crop or a halter, but you could do it. And this is also cotton. It's a little thicker. It doesn't really have any stretch either way, but this is pretty cool. Different. I wouldn't pick it up, but that's why it's a mystery box. You get things probably that you would never consider. This fabric is the next one. This is how much I have of this one. This is probably right at the yard. And it's definitely different. You can also get a skirt out of this and possibly a good top. I do like the pattern of the black and the white with the florals. Again, this is a lot of floral, probably more floral than I would ever pick up, but that's okay. Now, I am not a fabric guru and I don't know about all of the types of fabrics, but I have something kind of like this and I don't even know. I don't know. It's like a crepe, kind of feels like a crepe, but it's thicker than the crepes that I've had before. I don't know how to explain that to you. So, I don't know, just so you kind of get a feel of the texture of it. It's definitely going to be something, if whatever you make, you can just pull it out your closet. You're not going to really have to iron it, most likely. Oh, yeah. Ooh. This would make a pretty skirt. I just held it up to me and I saw it. Yep, I saw it. Ooh. But wait a minute. Well, what is this about? Okay. Okay. So this is wrapped with some paper in between. And this is a sequin fabric. And y'all, oh my. Okay. There's the sequin pattern. I never knew it would come like that. That sequin would be like that. Looks really nice. It's really shiny. I've never worked with sequin. It's actually one of the fabrics that I'm most afraid to work with. I don't know why, but I am. Not at the top of my list of fabrics to work with, but this is very nice. And you can tell that they took their time wrapping this. They put that paper in between there. Okay, so I kind of see why they wrapped it like it did. It is shedding like all over the place. It's on the fabric below. Now this is a very pretty color. It's kind of like a charcoal gray. And this is definitely suiting material. I've not made a suit. I hadn't planned on it. And I don't know. I don't know what I'll do with this if I do anything with it. But yes, this is definitely suiting material. Maybe I can practice with it or something. I don't know. But like I said, making this is not anywhere on my list of things to do right now or that I even want to do. Yeah. This next one. Okay. This is a white. I can tell that this is, looks like a polyester. And I just talked about white fabric in my other video. This may also be a type of suiting. Could also be used for a shirt. It almost kind of looks silky shiny. I don't know how to explain that. You know, I don't know. My mom wants some handkerchiefs. So this could definitely be used to make handkerchiefs with. This could definitely be used to make handkerchiefs with. I don't know what else I would do with this, but it definitely also looks like some suiting material. Next is, now this is like a bridal white material. It is silky, probably polyester. It's like a satin. Very pretty, very vibrant whites. Not bad. Again, these are fabrics that I have not worked with. Probably wouldn't go pick up, but it is great for me to get some practice with, and I didn't really have to spend a lot of money on it. Okay, this next one, there's sequins all over the place. This next one is a black, feels like polyester. Could probably also be used for suiting, maybe some shirts. I could definitely see a vest being made out of this, which is right on time. And so my husband actually just asked me about making him a vest. And like this could not have been more on time. And what I told him was I really don't have any black fabric for a vest, you know, as far as what he described to me he wanted and the type of fabric he wanted. So this is definitely right on time. I can eat those words and tell him I got it. I think this is the last fabric. Ooh, okay. And I'm not sure what this is. This is like some kind of, I don't know. Is this tweed? Is it twill? Is it sweater material? I don't know. This is the top. It is thick. It's heavy. Maybe this is like a wool. Yeah, maybe this is, yeah, this looks like a type of wool. This is the inside of the fabric, the wrong side, and this is the right side. Now, this would make a nice jacket for winter, like a light jacket or coat even. Yeah, I can see that. Anyway, this fabric is pretty heavy. You saw how thick it was folded up. And yeah, this would be a nice little jacket or a light coat, whatever you want to call it. So this was the 10-pound mystery box. I will say that I got a lot of stuff that I've never used, but will give me incentive to try some new things. I can't say that I'm mad at the floral because it is springtime. So floral will be in and my pencil skirts will be right on time. This will fall right in place with my desire to make more pencil skirts. So do I wish I had some other fabrics like some knits and things that I'm used to working with or other things? Of course I do, but I'm satisfied with what I received because it's a mystery box. It's not meant for me to get what I want. So there was really no expectations because I knew it would be a mix of whatever. So I'm good with this box and I'm going to get all this fabric wrapped. Pray my strength, y'all. It's a lot. And my daughter's probably going to cry when I say, come help me put this fabric on the cake boards. Yeah, she's probably going to cry. But it'll be all right. I'm not going to buy any more fabric for a long time because I got enough. All right. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed part 2 of my fabric haul. Hopefully you decided to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn that notification bell on so that you can see more of my shenanigans. Okay? Until next time, keep sewing.